When I started JNL, I was so down and depressed. I was faking happiness. I was faking me. But what I found was that when I joined the family, I started to transform. I found that I was 90% depressed, 10% faking happiness. What I found though was that after practicing and learning the universal laws, I started to transform deep within. I started to unravel like a magical flower. I learned that I had a gift inside of me that could help me to create the magical life that I deserved. And anything that I wanted, I could have it as long as I was willing to imagine it. I just loved the classes, the repetition, because at first I thought I got something, but then it was repeated again in another way, and I became aware of something new. I love how the ideas become cemented in your subconscious and help you to grow. And what I love most about the community is the love. The guide, Brenda Penman, is one of the most loving, caring guides that I've ever met. And because of that, she has attracted a community of loving, caring people who want each other to level up. Seriously, level up. They want you to succeed. So I leave each call every time feeling vibrant, alive, and excited. So I invite you to join or journey to the next level family. Because what I found and what you will find is that you'll just keep leveling up and leveling up and leveling up. Imagine getting better and better and better. I look forward to seeing you on one of our classes. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.